I'm getting tired. I need a nice spot to rest. Wow, that looks like a great spot. Let me circle around. Look at that sign, for the birds. That's interesting. I'm a bird. I wonder what that's all about. What a beautiful and welcoming garden. There is plenty of shelter, lots of lush berry bushes, bird houses. Wow, look at all the bird feeders, and they're squirrel proof. And they even have my favorite food. I love Birdman's Blend Birdseed. It's the best. Oh, there's Terry Allen, the owner. I've heard about him. He's known as the bird whistler because with one whistle he calls in bluebirds to feed them fresh mealworms. I hear from my friends in the flock that he's really helping people attract birds to their yard, and lots of customers are flocking to his For the Birds store. This is such a great place, I think I'm going to spend the night.